Hi everyone, my name is Nicole and I am the Changing Seasons Kit Curator and Educator. I wanted to come face to face with a camera that I haven't done in a very long time and introduce myself and give you a little bit of a backstory behind Changing Seasons. Changing Seasons Kit from Clique Kits is a kit that I have curated and put together using 3 of American Craft's newer product lines. They are the Paige Evans Truly Grateful, Amy Tan Slice of Life, and Dear Lizzie She's Magic. I've chosen some papers and embellishments from each of those lines that I felt worked really well together to document the stories that a lot of crafters seem to be going through right now, which is that change from late summer, early fall, and even in through the autumn months. With the products, I have also designed a couple cut files and a project sheet for you to work with. I'm actually gonna flip the camera upside down and do a walkthrough with you, and I'll show you what those cut files are, the worksheet that I have developed that goes along with this, and I'll show you the kit contents. And then also Gia has put together a watercolor kit that coordinates with this, which is beautiful. So I have that as well, and I am going to show you what's in it and do some swatching with you too. When I think of this time of year, and what helped me pull this kit together was I found that I'm still trying to document my kids' first day of school, even though the first month is already over. I still find that I have vacation pictures from end of summer that I haven't documented. And I'm also finding that I'm trying to prepare myself for Halloween and 30 Days of Gratitude already. So the files, the cut files that I designed to go with this, there is one that is an elements page that has some of those things on there that can be used not only for layouts and such, but they can also be used for 30 Days of Gratitude journaling, mini album. It's a pumpkin. I'm gonna break the news. It's a pumpkin, and I think it's really cute, and I think I'm gonna make a 30 Days of Gratitude, or I'm gonna use it as a mini album for some Halloween photos. But there's some things that are very versatile. I'm just gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and walk you through kit contents, what you're getting in the kit, the cut files, the project sheet, the color kit, and then I'm also gonna follow this up with a few other follow-up videos. I'm gonna go through some processes of some projects that I created with this kit. Be sure that you are sharing on social media, in the Facebook group. Tag Clique Kits on Instagram. I cannot wait to see the projects that everyone makes with this kit. I think these papers coordinate so well together. I can't wait to see what everyone makes. I am a part of the group on Facebook, so if you have any questions, please feel free to post a comment and I will help you out, whatever you need. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over, mount the camera up here, and let's walk through the kit contents. Let's walk through the main kit first, and we'll start with the 12 by 12 papers. The first one is Truly Grateful from Paige Evans. This is paper number 2 with the large florals on the front and the pastels on the back. Paper number 5 with the butterflies in the dark blue. Paper number 23, which is the really pretty ferns and the stripes on the back. And then also paper number 7 with the trees, and I love this paper. I think this is my favorite of the whole collection. And then that is the B-side. From Amy Tan Slice of Life, there are 2 sheets. First one is Sprinkle Confetti. It almost reminds me of a donut icing. And then a yellow check background for B-side. And Love Always, which is the really pretty watercolor hearts, and a yellow background as well. From Dear Lizzie She's Magic, we have Grow. Again, with the dark blues in this. I like the blue colors that they're bringing in. And then the notebook paper on the B side. And then the last is Dreaming, which are these really cute watercolor squares, and the paper airplanes for the B side. So those are the papers. As far as the embellishments, you get the glitter stickers from Amy Tan's Slice of Life. There's some really pretty vines, some fall flowers and leaves. Love the sparkle and the glitter on the camera. The second pack is a pack of thickers from Truly Grateful. I love this pack. Probably one of my most favorite of all time. Also from Paige's Truly Grateful collection is the pack of florals, the floral die cuts. That's all that's in that piece. From Dear Lizzie, the pack of stickers with some holographic hearts. Cute sayings saying like special, simply the best, darling, my lucky star, magical, lovely, you and I, dreaming. You also get some puffy stickers and enamel shapes. There's a few pieces of the enamel shapes. That is from the Dear Lizzie collection. And then some puffy stickers from Amy Tan's new collection. Super cute. So you get a sampling of those as well. And then lastly is a sequins mix. Let's open this up. So the sequins has a lot of teals. There's some florals, some stars, some purples, pinks. Really cute sequins mix. Along with this main kit is the series of workshop videos and also a digital worksheet and 3 cut files. The worksheet is 4 sketches that I have put together for you already based off of the contents of the kit, and then it also leaves 2 blank spots for you to sketch in your own ideas. And then the 3 cut files are this one, The Week That Summer Turned Into Fall, a large 12 by 12 quilt that you can use to put. This is a good one to use for all of your scrap pieces that you have left over, plus to put a large photo in the center. And then the 3rd cut file is more or less like an elements cut file. And this one has an apple. There's 2 different types of flowers, a larger and a smaller, 2 different leaves, some clusters of trees, a single tree. See that way, this large scripty grateful word, and then also this pumpkin. And this pumpkin I put together with using a mini album in mind. You can always delete the circles out of your cutting software if that's not what you want to do. But I have an idea for mini album that I'm going to use that for, so those are the 3 cut files and the contents of the main kit. Also, I'm going to show you real quick too is the watercolor add-on. I plan on using some of this in a few of my layouts. The first piece is watercolor paper, cold pressed 100% cotton from Little Birdie. The texture on this paper is awesome. I absolutely love it. And then also with that you get 4 Lindy's magical shakers. Magnolia Magenta Gold, California Poppy Gold, Afternoon Delight Denim, which is life. I love that one. And then Alpine Ice Rose. As far as the colors go, I have taken a few minutes and like swatched them out in my sketchbook and played with them a little bit, and I wanted to show you some up close, because not only do you have the option to use, like, this is the rose, this is the magenta, the yellow, and this is the denim, and the denim is gorgeous. The shimmer in this is so pretty. But you also have the option to mix these colors together and to create your own colors. So I've created this olive green by mixing the blue and the yellow. I've created like an orange color by mixing the rose and the yellow, and then I've also created like purple brown to use. That was a little bit of the magenta, the gold, and then a really, really small amount of the blue. So these colors you can mix together, create your own, and really stretch them. So don't hesitate to play with them as well if you purchase this add-on. So this is the contents of the kits and the add-ons, the watercolor kit add-on, the mixed media add-on with the 4 Lindy's and the watercolor paper, and then also the main kit and the digital contents that come with the kit, also the 3 cut files and the worksheet. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. You can also tag me or post them in the Clique Kits Facebook group, and you can also tag me over on my Instagram account at Colby's1981. I am super excited to see what y'all create with this kit. I think this is going to be a really fun kit to work with, and I can't wait to get started. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will see you soon with my next video.